just want a shirt. Alright, this show right here is Amboy Event again. Amboy Event. Make sure you check it out next year. We're on the baseball diamond just like last year. Man, they give away a bunch of stuff. That's all I'm gonna say. Milan
8675309.
Yep.
9514042.
Tony said they're not playing around here.
042.
Off a raffle ticket.
We got a winner. Chicken dinner. Oh, there it comes. Winner, chicken dinner. Man. Just run right over there to the booth where all the stuff's at.
Well, my homie Tony, here we got the SSA meter hooked up.
Yes, sir.
Find some tones here. There we go.
Let's see what it's called about. What the talk's been about. M2Bs, all these EMFs.
I'm gonna start at 28 and go up from there. Why not?
Alright.
Oh, I forgot. Hey Steve, can you close my trunk for me? What? Can you close my trunk? Thanks, bro. Let's see what this thing does. Woo! I got one, yeah. That 48 at
36 hertz.
36.
Yeah.
So that was the peak, huh? 36 hertz is my new peak.
Yeah.
I see this thing doing music. That was crazy.
Tell him shout over the straight, huh? Gucci. She need to work out. Yeah. Hypnotize, mesmerize, I make her fantasize. And televise, I exercise and take it nationwide. Working on her thighs and she's working on my mind. She black on, telling that kids with all that genocide. Gucci. You look like you need a towel. Looking like we need a shower. I'm so tired, she's so dumb. Breathing like she's jumping. Just like that, and she's so full of energy. Get out. I'm treated like a work. 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 She going down. She going I'm in a ride. All I know is count while I'm getting high. All I know is flex while I'm in the club. All I know is show the boys little love. All I know is bad. All I know is all I smoke is papers.
Man, I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem at all, man. That's why I got this for. I'm like, I know a lot of people.
Man, you just don't understand how much I appreciate that. So I'm at 36 now.
36 hertz.
Last time, believe it or not, the SA12s and the box was similar, but I mean, amazing how I would gain. It was 37 hertz was my peak last year. Now I'm at 36. That's crazy.
It's crazy, ain't it?
And maybe the dinner or maybe the doors shrunk the cabin down a little bit. Anything, I don't know. Oh my God, bass science on my head's hurting.
Yeah.
Wow.